Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we are in Austria taking a look at the new Peugeot 408 and we have the beautiful example in front of us. Name of this gorgeous color is Elixir Red, and as you can see we have a completely new model 408. Name of the trim is Allure, so I already filmed the GT line, but today's focus is the Allure trim. Now let's start with the front, where we have a very aggressive design. These are the LEDs, daytime running LEDs are here, and also the front grille has this beautiful chrome inserts. This car also has the new Peugeot badge, which you see here, gorgeous badge in my opinion. 408 lettering on this section of the bumper or bonnet. And yeah, well, overall very nice design. Tell me in the comments, how do you like it and how do you like the Allure trim? You can also watch the review of the GT model on my channel, so there you will see how that model looks. Now if we take a look from the side, 4.69 meters is the length, and you see the shape of the car. It's got the elements of many models, of many body styles of the cars. So you see like the fastback silhouette, it's a crossover. You see the wheel arches that are very robust, and also large wheels. They go from 17-inch and these are the 19-inch ones. Let me see the dimension, 205 55 R19, and we have the dual tone gloss black and silver, and the Peugeot badge here in the middle, which is very nice as well. And very strong design lines here. You see also the wing mirrors with the LED indicators, and if we take a look from the rear, you see we have also very modern design, and look at the coupe style, coupe silhouette of the roof, and I think this car looks gorgeous. On photos I already loved it, but seeing it in person it really stands out. Now also I want to show you that the new badge of course is here in the middle, and the rear bumper is very robust, so I think that's a good thing, because you see this will be, I think, very durable. Gloss black inserts here, and sort of like the diffuser styling here at the bottom. This is the camera, and now I also want to show you the trunk. So we have the manual tailgate on this one, nice square shape, and also some convenient features such as those nets here, and also hook for your shopping bags on both sides actually, and the net on the right. If we pull this, you see also some additional room and some tools, and of course you can fold the seat to get even more room. Let's close this. And the Allure trim has got this beautiful slim LEDs, but on the GT models, a GT line, you would get a bit of a different signature. But I think also the Allure looks very nice indeed, especially in this combination of color and the gloss black tinted windows actually. And yeah, well, look at this from this angle. How gorgeous is that? I mean, just look at this spoiler here. Detail that you really can't miss. And now it is time to explore the interior of the car, which is just as gorgeous as the exterior. So look at this, the all new Peugeot design language on the inside, with the digital i-cockpit, small steering wheel, and the new infotainment system. But let's start here. You see some nice materials. This is soft on touch, standard buttons for the windows and the mirrors. The door pocket, which is rather big and divided into two sections, as you see here. The seats, AGR comfort, and by pressing this you can control this section here. Not sure if you can see that on the camera. Nice combination of leather and cloth with the nice stitching in the special light blue greenish color. And the headrest looks like it's integrated into the seat, which looks very nice. It is not, so you can move it like this, but definitely looks very nice indeed. Now let's see it from driver's perspective. Alright then, so the well-known Peugeot design language from inside, digital i-cockpit, 10-inch screen in front of us, the small steering wheel with the new Peugeot logo that looks very nice. It suits this steering wheel very well. New infotainment system, much more advanced compared to the previous systems in the Peugeot models. And also this is very nice, like the design lines here are really amazing if you ask me. Middle section has this minimalistic gear selector, and by the way, this car is a petrol version, but I'll talk about the engines a bit later on. But this is also the first time that I'm filming the petrol version. Start engine button is here, wireless charging pad for your phone, some additional room, 12-volt power supply is here, and the USB-C port right next to it, and that one is illuminated so you can see it. And the cup holders adjustable, also with this roller to make this middle section look nicer. The drive mode selector, this car has 3 driving modes: sport, normal, and look at this. When you go to normal, the interior, the actually infotainment system changes the color, and the eco has also different color here, so the green theme, and also the dials and everything changes in green. So let's put the normal for now. Some additional room here. Let's see this middle section, USB-C port, and huge amount of room also here in the middle. Speaking about the storage areas, of course the glove box really deep. So I think in terms of practicality, this is really good. And now after the infotainment system, now I already covered the infotainment system in the other new Peugeot models, including the 408, which I filmed the world premiere at the Paris car show. But I can show you this new infotainment system. So you see, you can do the customizations for the screen, for example, change the color, different screen colors are available. Then speaking about the customization, you can also customize the touchscreen here, the main central screen, and you can add actually pages and widgets. So for example, add page, and now you can add the widgets depending on which one you use the most, for example. And you can do the same for the digital cockpit. So there are really a lot of options here, and a lot of customization is available, which is really nice. If we press the navigation, you see also the nice screen. We are now here at the Read im Inkreis. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. But yeah, for example, I can show you the 3D shape of the buildings in Salzburg, for example, which is around 1 hour drive from here. So let's see it. If we zoom in here, there we go. You see, we can also change the view. And now we have the 3D actually. So now I will go to Salzburg. So look at this. Beautiful attention to details. And I will actually get the new Peugeot 408 for a test soon. So there will be a night point of view drive. Stay tuned for that, as I think it will look awesome with this 3D view of the buildings. And yeah, overall very nice, and the attention to details is amazing on this one. Let's go back, and not gonna do you know, more details here within the infotainment system, because once again I already showed you the details in my previous videos of this car. So yeah, tell me in the comments, how do you like it? Let's see the sun visors. There we go. And now let's explore the rear bench. Rear doors are massive, as you can see. And let's jump inside. So you see still some room left. These are the USB ports, they are illuminated. You also get the air vents, and here in the middle, let me show you the armrest with the cup holders, and you can also move this. But now let's see the situation for my head. And I'm not sure how much the camera is catching it, but I'm 1.87 m, and you see I still have some room left. So that's a big thumb up from me, because we have the beautiful silhouette of the car from the side, but still some room left. So big thumb up from me. Time to check the engine. This is how you open the bonnet. You need to pull this, And here we are greeted with the PureTech petrol engine. This model is available with 3 different powertrains. This is one of the options, the PureTech petrol engine, turbocharged petrol engine producing 130 horsepower. Other 2 options are the plug-in hybrids. So tell me in the comments what would be your choice. Before we end this video, let's check out the specs for this model. So as I already told you, this is the Allure Pack with the PureTech petrol engine, 130 horsepower paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission. This car has the 19-inch wheels, it's got the 10-inch display and the digital cockpit. This is the price, and then if you take all of the extra options such as the Elixir Red, which is the Elixir Red color, you get this price. But also speaking about the prices, this is the action price since we are here at the fair. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe as there will be plenty of more to come, and also the point of view drive is coming soon. Stay tuned and see you on the next one. Bye bye.